Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn the pointer. Pointer is a very exciting, very powerful feature of C language. But again we have this concept in Go language also. When we learn pointer, then we always confuse what is the pointer, why we are using pointer, what is the role of pointer. But you know that pointer is most powerful feature of any language. Now, so far C is the most powerful language that use pointer, C++ use pointer. But now Go also have the same kind of pointer. So here we are going to learn what is the difference between pointer and a variable. You see that I have this variable C num1 int and I say the value is 20, for example, and I display this information because you know that already what is variable. So variable is what? Variable is a name of a memory location. Variable is what? Variable is a name of memory location that hold value at runtime. Remember, variable is the name of a memory location that hold value at runtime. That means this variable have some address, and on that address we store this 20 integer type of value. Try to understand this. And what is the address? Address is that I'm just displaying here. Address is that. This is the address. Remember, you see, this is the address where my this 20 information is stored. Do not confuse. Try to understand that variable num1 is the name of the memory location that hold my value at runtime. Whenever I will run this program, this value will go to this variable, and this variable is a memory location where this value 20 will be stored. So the value is 20, and what is the address? If we put ampersand symbol in front of variable, then we have the address of that variable. So again we have this variable address and we have a value of that address. Remember the concept. Now variable hold the value and pointer hold the address. Remember, I am creating a pointer here. I say p num1. P num1 means pointer equal to, I store this address of num1 in p. Remember, fmt dot, I say print ln, and I pass here num p1, p num1. That is fmt. Save it, and you see same value because it's the address. Same value. This is the address. This address I am passing here. Okay. What is this? This is also a variable, but is a special variable of pointer type. What is the speciality of this pointer type? Because this variable would not store the value. It will store the address of a variable. So 20 is a value that is stored in num1. So num1 is the variable. That value we have display here. That address we have display here, because this variable have a position in the memory. Means we have an address in the memory where we store the value. Now same address I am passing in one variable that is of pointer type. So it is not a normal variable, it is a special kind of variable that store address of another variable in place of value. Means here we are storing a value. In place of value we can store the address of a variable That kind of variable is called pointer. Now if I display this, you see, if I run it, it has same value. You see, the value of p num1 is the same, that is the address of my num1, because num1 have the value 20 and num1 have the address this one, and pointer have the value of num1, that's why it's have an address. But my num1, my pointer p1 is also have an address. Remember, if I put ampersand in front of my pointer p num1, then it will display its own address. You see, this is the address of the p num1, because p num1 is also a one kind of special variable. So variable always have address. So that p num1 is also have a address, but in place of value, this variable, this pointer variable, store the address of another variable. And if I want to display the value of this particular address, means pnum is what? Pnum is the address. So if I want to display the value of pnum, I have to use a star. Save and run. Again I will have a 20. You see, I have a 20. Why? Because this star pointer, this star symbol display the value on this address, and this address is of num1. So num1 have a 20. So it will display here 20. And if again I want to store the address of a pointer, then we have to take a double pointer. That is the same philosophy. But here I have passed directly here the value. But if separately I want to create any pointer, so this is the syntax for creating a pointer. I say p and I say star int like this, and I say here that it store the, I create it first here, and then I will pass, I just pass here another variable address, and I say here num2 like this, and I pass here 45, and then I pass the address of num2 to p like this, and then I can display here fmt dot print ln, and here I can print my p, okay, and I can print my num1 num2 like this. And you see, num2 is what? Num2 is a variable, and this p is a address of this variable. But if I put the star in front of my pointer variable, then I compile, it will display same 45. So I can create my pointer like this also, or I can pass directly the address of a variable to the pointer like this. So now I have given you the idea what is the difference between pointer and the variable. Now in my next video I am going to explain how you can swap the value by using pointer, and we also call it call by reference. So we will see in next video. Thank you for watching this video.